Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80248014 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection. Open fast.com and hit enter. And then check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. Okay. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what the script would do. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.